Here's my roulette game. These are the controls down here. This is the number selector, so if I want to select 2, I can go up and to the right. Here it says you're betting on 2. This is the bet button and the start game button, using edge interrupts to trigger them. So now I can bet the amount I want. I'll bet $10. And I can start the game. There you can see it landed on 6 and we bet on 2, so we lost. So we don't get any money back. We'll bet on 5 this time. Bet $20. Start the game. Oh. There it landed on 8. We bet on 5, so we lost again. Try a couple more times, see if we can't win. Stay on 2. Try 2 again. Try one more time. Just so you can see what it looks like when you win, I went into the code and made it so it will always be 8 will be your winning number. So we'll go ahead, bet on 8, bet $5. So if we win, we should get a total of $40, but we're betting 5, so we'll only get a total of $335.